This is my DIY website, and as a site owner, I can configure a book a meeting web component on every web page. This is how it works. Let's imagine that I'm a customer and I'd like to book a meeting with the website's owner. Then I can select available date from this calendar. I can select available time slot. Let's say from 13. I can add my name and email over here. And I can agree with the terms and the privacy of this website and submit. The moment I submit that form, the site owner will receive a new event within the Google's calendar. So this is the website owner. I'm receiving that new event over here because it has Zoom integration. It has a nice little Zoom URL so you can meet virtually, and some more information around the event. Now the user that just booked that meeting, here is the calendar of the user, and the user also receives an event in the calendar with details and the Zoom URL where they can meet. This web component is intended to be used by website owners that want to organize their meetings and want to allow users to book meetings within site owners' Google Calendar.